metals detected.
The universe consists of metal, and you are demanding the best of it. Terra and Uranus, the new reference in welding machines.
Wir haben ja den Weg beschritten, Full Welding Solution Provider zu werden, und dieses Gebäude ist mit ein Schritt.
Herzlich willkommen, das neue ABC in Hamm.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. These days are really very, very special, and we're happy that you followed the invitation to come here and to be part of this big movement in the company's history. Please join us on stage. Congratulations. It suits you. It looks perfect. Herzlichen Glückwunsch. Mitarbeiter und in der Kategorie Rookie. Come up on stage. Congratulations. Well done. Sehr gut gemacht. Herzlichen Glückwunsch. Congratulations. Give a round of applause. These are our winners of the welding contest, Böhler Welding 2019. Herzlichen Glückwunsch. I'm happy to be here. You like it? Yeah, of course, you're the winner of the Welders Contest. Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Electrodes is the biggest challenge at all. It's the biggest challenge to make an electrode which fits the welder, and to further develop our electrodes to provide you with the best electrodes, because we know you are the best welder. Thank you very much.
All these nominees are going to receive one of our new Terra machines, the new Böhler welding machines. The Terra is going to be your new equipment for the future.